15 ways to use coconut oil. Coconut oil is not only delicious, it also provides a variety of health benefits. It can help burn fat, lower cholesterol, and heal the gut. Additionally, it has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. But that's not all. You can use coconut oil daily to improve your health, appearance, and your home. Plus, you'll save money by not having to spend as much on products that contain toxic chemicals. So here are 15 uses of coconut oil that you may not be aware of. Number 1. Erase wrinkles. Beauty products, especially anti-aging products, don't come cheap, and the routines can be rather elaborate. You have to use scrubs, face washes, serums, lotions, face mists. It's quite unnecessary, especially when what you really need is just vitamin A and E. Coconut oil is packed with the stuff, and it's safe to use on your face. It acts as an anti-aging cream. It can also help repair sun damage and leave your skin feeling soft and healthy. Number 2. Use for shaving. Out of shaving cream? Just head to your kitchen cabinet. Coconut oil is gentler on your skin when shaving, and in addition to helping with a smoother shave, it leaves your skin moisturized. And if you tend to get a little hasty with shaving, any nicks and cuts are already taken care of, thanks to the antibacterial properties of coconut oil. Number 3. Use as a mouthwash. While coconut oil won't leave you with that minty feeling most commercial mouthwashes do, it's actually great for your oral health. Its antibacterial properties effectively eradicate Streptococcus mutans, a type of bacteria that cause plaque buildup, cavities, and gum disease. This technique is actually called oil pulling, and it's so easy. Just take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around your mouth as you would your regular mouthwash. Coconut oil draws out toxins, and it fights tooth decay and bad breath. Number 4. Use as an antifungal cream. Thanks to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, coconut oil can easily replace your medicinal creams that fight itchiness caused by fungus or athlete's foot. It's simple enough. Just rub some coconut oil onto the affected area and let your skin absorb it. You can reapply when you feel a flare-up come. Number 5. Nourish chapped lips. Instead of investing in pricey lip balms to keep your lips soft and smooth, you can just dab some coconut oil on them. It will shine for a little while, so let it absorb a bit for a more matte look. And if you're noticing flakiness, just take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and combine it with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Gently apply this mixture to your lips in a circular motion and leave it on for a couple of minutes. Then wipe it off with a warm washcloth. This natural lip scrub will leave your lips feeling smooth and hydrated. Number 6. Remove makeup. If your makeup remover leaves mascara streaks and color splotches all over your face, try coconut oil instead. It breaks down those tough ingredients used in makeup products and makes it easier to remove them. Just dab a little coconut oil onto a cotton pad and gently wipe your face. This will not only remove your makeup quicker, it will also keep your skin smooth and hydrated, instead of leaving a chemical smell and drying out your skin. It's safer and more cost-effective. Once it's all off, just wash your face as usual. Number 7. Make a massage oil. Since coconut is so great for your health, and it's packed with all the good stuff your skin needs, you can also use it to make your own massage oils. Just mix in any scent you want, from lavender to sandalwood to eucalyptus. There are so many essential oils that go great with coconut. No more artificial fragrances and unknown ingredients. Number 8. Add some to your bath. Treating yourself to a bubble bath? Conventional bath products come with all sorts of chemicals. They might have all kinds of fun scents, but those scents are all artificial. And when you mix them with hot or warm water and soak in them, your skin absorbs all of that. For a bath that leaves you refreshed, moisturized, and feeling healthy, add a generous amount of coconut oil and soak it all in. Literally. If you want the tingly sensation that comes with using bath salts, you can add some Epsom salts, and of course, some lavender or eucalyptus oils. Number 9. Soothe sunburn. You might have taken every precaution, but the sun can't be controlled. Aloe vera gels are a great remedy for peeling and inflammation, but if you don't have any lying around, coconut oil is a great alternative. If you find yourself looking a little bit like a lobster after a long day at the beach, grab some coconut oil and gently apply it to your skin. It moisturizes, minimizes peeling, and calms inflammation. Number 10. Soften and deodorize your feet. Between all the walking, running, and working out, your feet regularly take a beating. So you might be noticing cracked heels and dry toes. Don't worry, that's easily remedied. Before bed, apply a generous layer of coconut oil to your feet to soften them and to heal cracks and calluses. And because the oil is also antibacterial, it will deodorize your feet as it moisturizes. Slip on some socks so it doesn't get on your sheets, and wake up to softer, smoother, and better smelling feet. Number 11. Clean up wax residue. If you wax at home, you know how annoying those tiny bits of wax are stuck to your skin. You certainly shouldn't try to scrub them off, as your skin is still sensitive from the waxing. A better idea is to just rub some coconut oil on it. Apply it to the sticky area and just wipe it off with a cloth. This works if you accidentally had some wax drip on the table, the floor, or anywhere else. Number 12. Clear up congestion. You might be able to live with not being able to taste stuff when having a cold, but congestion? Absolutely not. If you feel that way, the remedy for it is right in your kitchen. Just mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 3 drops of tea tree oil and 3 drops of rosemary oil. This is essentially a DIY Vapo Rub, and you can rub this mix on your chest and right under your nose to open up your nostrils and aid in better breathing. Number 13. Prevent and treat dandruff. Dandruff is just dry skin, but sometimes it's caused by a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia. Since coconut oil is great for hydration and is known for its antifungal properties, you really need no other solution. Just massage the oil onto your scalp with your fingers and really work it in. This will get rid of the dryness and treat the fungus too. Keep it in your hair for about an hour, then rinse it out as usual with shampoo and conditioner. Do this for a few days, and you'll see a real difference. Number 14. Make a safe insect repellent. Those conventional insect sprays are typically packed with chemicals that do their job, but aren't great for your health. For a safer insect repellent, look no further than coconut oil. Mix it with some peppermint, citronella, eucalyptus, rosemary, and tea tree oils. Take that concoction and rub it on exposed areas of your body. It's safer for the skin and it moisturizes too. Number 15. Condition and shine wood furniture. You don't need to buy expensive wood polish with synthetic fragrances to keep your wooden furniture looking great. Coconut oil is a much safer and cheaper alternative. It also brings out the natural grain of the wood and has a better aroma. Just mix 2 parts of coconut oil with 1 part lemon juice and 1 part white vinegar. Apply it to a rag and rub it on wood furniture. Wipe off the excess, and you've got yourself a piece of furniture that looks practically brand new. Another benefit? It's a dust repellent, so you won't have to keep wiping it down every few days. As you can see, coconut oil offers seemingly unlimited uses and saves you a lot of money too. Try some of these tips out and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.